soon as my phone keeps going off. You know in Australia they didn't have Bill Nye the Science Guy?
What?
Thanks.
What'd you say?
Australia doesn't have Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Really?
Yeah.
Sad.
It is sad.
I need a spatula.
Hmm? What?
I need a spatula. I'm fast. It has to be rubber ones because apparently if it's metal, it scrapes.
Well, my spatulas are...
Fail! 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 Are you recording today?
Mm-hmm.
Did you say?
Fail! What?
Yours!
Ooh! Yours comes out so nice. And mine are always like...
I have skills there.
I think deine Mutter is to how the... Take your mom.
Is it necessary to say in German or?
Oh my god!
What?
There's a lion eating a deer! I'm not kidding!
This is not working.
Look, you're missing...
I'm making eggs.
It's like breaking its neck and like...
Sarah, this did not work out.
How'd you fuck that up? That looks so nice. Can you look at the lion eating the
I
deer?
don't have enough butter.
Put oil. Just a little bit.
No, butter.
You really fucked that up. Do you want to zoom in on that?
Oh. Yeah, maybe. Go ahead. Be fast.
What?
You can be fast. Fail.
We're gonna regret taking
Is
this
that a video? When my mom comes on, or comes in, you have to turn off the video.
So we messed up 3 times. I told you so.
Every time I do this, I just do this. Like one fail, one
Put
go.
a little bit of oil in.
Okay, what's the whole thing now?
Abby,
What?
why don't you do this that one? Put a little bit of oil in it, I'm telling you.
That's alright, I guess I'll use this.
Yum.
Well, this side just before this did the top.
Oh my god.
What?
That scared me a lot.
My heart
Just like seriously stop.
Oh my
This is the day